Analysis is really a conversation with your data. Show me the condos, now the cheaper, recent ones. Sort them this way. Stratum makes that conversation fluid, with a filter panel that's always open. Let's start with one condition. Property type is condo. Watch the row count update live as the table narrows. Now I'll stack a second condition. List price under 400,000, and tell Stratum to combine them with all, meaning both must be true. That's a logical and it gives a narrow slice. Flip the combiner to any, and the same two rules become an OR. Condos, or anything under 400,000, a much bigger set. Being able to toggle between them makes the logic tangible. A quick statistical note. A filter is a subsample, so any number you compute now describes only that subset. Filter to the cheaper homes, and the average price is real, but it's the average of a slice, not the whole market. That's selection bias in miniature. Filtering picks which rows. Sorting sets their order. I'll sort by days on market, then break ties by price. So the fastest sellers come first, and the cheapest first among equals. And above everything sits one master switch. With a single click, I can compare my slice against the full data set and back without rebuilding a thing. Because the filter lives in the document, it's saved with the file, and it applies everywhere. Every chart and every report respects it. So far, we've worked in a single table. Next, we'll combine and reshape several.